Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be taking a look at the severe weather outbreak from today. So far, very significant tornado outbreak, and I did post stuff yesterday about, actually earlier and yesterday. So I posted a shorts before this video about an hour ago or two now, but then there was a shorts yesterday on the severe weather, and I say that actually has really planned out. Actually, it was on today's shorts. I showed you guys the yesterday storm reports, and I think it really, really planned out perfectly. I think actually it could have been a moderate. I think that's why they actually pushed the moderate today. But there has been quite a bit of storm reports already. We take a look at these storm reports, and we are at 4 tornadoes so far with 37 wind reports and 157 hail reports. These tornado reports are landspouts, lasted a couple minutes before ending, so probably an EF0, a developing landspout captured, then reported by spotter on mile marker 19 on Highway 24 in Tennessee. Then there was another report still ongoing, northwest Cooperstown, exact location estimated by radar. Then there was a video of tornadoes shared on social media southeast of Cannibal, time location approximation in Illinois. So there is 4 tornado reports. I do think today could end up being another 20 plus tornado reports and up to maybe 200 to 300 hail reports and about 100 to about 200 wind reports. I think that's how this is going to plan out. Look at the models. There it is, the supercells throughout the next few hours. Going to continue and then become even more of a line potentially. I do think the line is possible where we can really see a straight line wind event. I think that's going to be a bigger possibility today, but big time supercells throughout the next coming hours, and then those boa going features on the radar. How do we know it's boa going? Because you can see these reds and yellows bowing out and then going back in like that. Another example here. Um, Another right there. These are Boeing features that could be meaning up to 70 to 80 mile an hour winds. So that's going to be another big problem, at least on the in the next coming hours here. So we keep taking a look, and that's just going to continue becoming in line. And I think the severe weather is going to be pretty bad for quite a bit. So if we looked at the most unstable Cape and Shear, very impressive. I think this is a lot of it. There's a lot of it, especially in the Tennessee, Texas area. I think there's a lot of unstable atmosphere, easily a lot worse than I think was expected. I think 500 plus joules is going to be very possible. And then throughout the next coming hours, it will die down by later tonight. Supercell composite, once again, that's going to be all active throughout tonight. So tonight, I think there's going to be that good chance of supercells, but I think in the next coming hours will be the best chances. I think later on around 6, 7 o'clock Eastern time, 8 o'clock Eastern time, this will be the peak of the severe weather outbreak. But even the significant tornado perimeter is there too across the Tennessee, many areas. This is a really, really bad situation here. Once again, dew points. If we look at this, I mean, dew points are easily in the 70s, near even 80 in spots. That's really a big problem right there. That is one model. That's just like the HER model future. But we do have the NAM that can easily show it, or surface base of career. Most unstable Cape and Shear. Once again, very high likely, and yeah. Wow, supercell composite, especially even throughout tonight, is going to be very likely. Significant tornado perimeter. That's really crazy. Wow, look at all these reports. Damn. So there is multiple tornado warnings. There are multiple severe thunderstorm warnings. A lot of these severe thunderstorm warnings have bra rotation, like the one here, some bra rotation, rotation, mix of rotation, rotation. Um, if we take a look at my radar and really get in depth of the potential thunderstorms going on radar, we're going to be looking at the tornado perimeter on this. So once again, that moderate risk, really planning out. There's a lot of supercells. I mean, there's still a lot of areas that hasn't even seen the enhanced yet really blow off. But already a special weather statement just north of Austin. So the storms in Texas are beginning to develop. That is a forming supercell with a tornado watch all the way to the outside county of Austin, Texas. Not too much in the enhanced near the Little Rock area, I have to admit. A lot of the storms are on the northern side of this severe weather outbreak, like in Charlotte. Once again, a lot of these 70-mile-an-hour winds. So a lot of these are damaging considerable severe thunderstorm warnings. These are no joke severe thunderstorm warnings with 70 to 80-mile-an-hour winds going through Columbia. Charlotte, you guys already had it. You guys are now on the outside side of this. Main tornado threat as of this moment is just to the west, Linden, Lebanon. There is a severe thunderstorm warning too, 60-mile-an-hour winds, tornado warning, radar indicated. There's a lots and lots of tornado warnings right now. Another tornado warning, and that's radar indicated. I think radar indicated on that one. Three-inch hail. Radar indicated. Big severe thunderstorm warnings. I mean, these are huge severe thunderstorm warnings. These are absolutely a lot of flood warnings too. This is a big flooding event. Yeah, look at all these storms. This is a huge tornado watch. Wow. Big time tornado warnings. Main thing right now has been the hail and wind. Big time wind, big time hail. Severe weather outbreak. And once again, northern the Tennessee area into these areas, Illinois and stuff like that. Winds and the hail. Pretty crazy. Is there any more storms after tomorrow? That's a really. I think there is the potential here for more severe weather outbreaks. I think after this one goes through, there's that little low, maybe some severe weather there. We need to see about that. Then after that, things maybe another severe weather outbreak for the South, like New Orleans, Tennessee, once again, Florida, Southeast, and maybe the Northeast. And then another major tornado outbreak here, potentially down the road. A lot of chances for severe weather. Big chances here. This storm goes through severe weather. Another cold front type storm with severe weather. I mean, there's a lot of severe weather ahead. Sneak peek of the Atlantic hurricane season. What's going to be in it is question this, you guys. We will need to begin to question this right here. What could happen by the end of May? Potentially, maybe our first tropical system that is on the depending table. Look at these areas. I mean, crazy, crazy clouds on these. Big storm. But I'm gonna let you guys go. I'll be continuing to post. Maybe I post another video later, but this will be a video at least for today, and that will be it. If you have any questions or concerns about your area, please let me know, and expect this to continue in the next coming weeks into severe weather season quiets down. There will be still severe weather in the middle summer, but that's when more of the hurricane season begins. So let's end it here. Goodbye, you guys.